Hey guys, this is Jim Aydelotte. I'm the lease option coach, and I'm coming to the Michigan Real Estate Investors Association this coming Thursday evening and at the MSU Education Center at Square Lake and Crook Road, right off I-75 in Troy. You don't want to miss it. We're going to be talking about various means in which we can be successful in building our real estate investment business, and do a couple of little bit things that are a little bit different than just talking about lease options. But certainly we're going to be talking about creative financing and also a big picture view of that. And then Saturday, October 19th, I'm going to be at the Hilton Garden Inn in Troy, Michigan at I-75 and Big Beaver Road. And I'm going to be drilling down into these concepts to help you be able to walk out of there and do deals. I'm amazed at how many different ways in which we can benefit from the opportunities that exist, and you really don't want to miss it. In fact, we're going to talk about the 5 steps to success. It doesn't matter really what business you're in, but there are 5 specific things that you need to know and you need to master really before you can be ultimately successful. We're going to talk about creative financing deals. We're going to look at things like what's a mortgage wrap. We're going to talk about buying properties on options. We're going to talk about finding and locating motivated sellers. We'll talk about moving the house fast, getting paid quickly, which is what we want to do. We don't want to linger around and kind of hope that we get paid. We want to get paid. And I'm going to show you how to put between $5,000 and $15,000 in your bank account in the next 30 days. And if that's something that's of interest to you, you don't want to miss it. So don't delay. Get registered for that. I'll see you Thursday evening, and I'll definitely see you on Saturday. And don't forget, if you want to be a shark, you got to hang around sharks. So I'll see you there.